What's up, everybody? My name's Jake Elston. I'm one of the co-founders over at the Happy Factory, located on 7th Street in Maryland. We are here at our go-to supplement store, Healthy Habit, with the awesome Jamie Boyachech. This is my client, Michelle Fickler, and what we're going to be doing today, guys, is showing you a really effective workout that you can do from the safety and comfort of your home. I know during these crazy times, not all of us are comfortable getting back to the gym, so we want to bring the gym to you. And all you're really going to need today, guys, is a gallon water that weighs out to about 8 pounds, a handy dandy backpack, which you can load books or whatever other type of resistance in, and a bath towel. All right? So Michelle's going to be performing what's called a reverse lunge. So Michelle, let's go ahead and step it on back. Drop it on down. She wants to keep her core tight. Press it on up. Step it on back. Press it on up. Guys, this is called a unilateral lower body exercise. We're now going to go into a squat to press. So I'm going to have Michelle squat down, press out. This really works the core. Pull it on back and press it on up. Let's squat it on down. Press it out. Pull it back and press up. Guys, that is our squat to press. So we've worked out our legs. Now we want to make sure we work out a little bit of those arms. I'm going to have Michelle performing a simple backpack curl. So like I said, all you're going to need is a backpack, a handy dandy towel, and we're going to keep our core nice and tight, our glutes nice and tight, and we're going to work those guns. Guys, it's summer, so sun's out, guns out, okay? We also don't want to neglect the back of our arms, so we're going to go ahead and turn this into what's called a backpack overhead tricep extension. And she's simply going to press with the back of her arms, her triceps. Bang. Once again, guys, always keep your belly tight and keep your butt tight. So one thing I would tell with all my clients, belly tight, butt tight for good core strength. We're going to be performing about 12 of these reps. Michelle, I got you. Awesome work. Now, what I'd love for you guys to do at home is perform all 4 exercises followed by 1 minute rest time. Do that for 5 rounds. That's all you guys really need to do to get an amazing at-home workout. I really hope this helps a lot of you guys. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us or contact me at jake@strongizhappy.com. You can also look us up at www.strongizhappy.com as well. And if you need any of your supplement needs, I highly recommend going to our go-to shop, Healthy Habit.